some Thai chilies, some garlic, and pound away. Beef, holy basil, leaves only, your preference of oil. Add the garlic and Thai chilies. Add the beef, fry it up. Add about a tablespoon of mushroom soy sauce. Add about a tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. Add about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add the holy basil. Let's add the rice. Fry that rice. I'm gonna add a little bit more of sweet soy sauce. Put on a plate. Let's make the egg. A pool of oil. Drop that egg in there. Flick the oil onto the egg. Yup. There we go. Wait, hold on. Sriracha. Get yourself some Thai chilies and some limes. Put them together. Drop some fish sauce in there. Holy moly. There we go. That's it. We're done. All right, I'm out of here.